Okay, we're gonna start the game of cash flow and buy a 2-1 condo. We're gonna cover how the money moves, the positives and negatives, and the risks, because you can go bankrupt with even these little purchases if you're not careful. First, let's look at the financial statement as I'm starting the game. I'm a janitor making $1,600 a month. My expenses altogether are $950. I own no assets and I have nothing but liabilities. I need to make a total of $950 in cash flow in order to get out of the rat race. In this video, I'm just going over examples. I'm not playing the game. This is pre-recorded, so you'll see each step, and sometimes the cash flow statement will change from paydays. At this point, I've done a couple moves. I've got some paydays. I've saved up some cash. My income and expenses has not changed. My assets and liabilities has not changed. Just my cash went from $400 up to $1,700. So here I have $1,700. My payday is only $650. Pay attention to those two numbers. I'm taking a small deal for a 2-1 condo. Now you can see I don't have enough cash to buy this. I'm going to have to take out a loan. Let me walk you through the process and see how the numbers move and why I'm actually making this purchase. So I'm taking out a loan for $3,000 to cover the down payment. The payment is $300. Watch closely on the financial statement. You're going to see my income, expenses, assets, and liabilities all change at this transaction. So you can see here, I'm about to make the purchase. I have enough cash on hand. I'm at $4,700. That'll cover my down payment for this. My expenses have now increased by $300. So has my loan here. I'm going to make the purchase, and after the purchase, you'll see another change in my financials. So you can see that I still have $700 in cash, because in the game we can only take loans at $1,000 increments. My income statement has changed. I've gone up for $140 from the rental fee. My loan has actually gone up $300. The asset, I have the condo, but the mortgage is $36,000. So I've got a little bit of a loan here. Notice on my cash flow statement, my actual income has actually dropped. It's now $490. So why did I purchase this? I had enough cash flow to invest, and it'll only take me a few paydays to save up and pay off that loan. Why would I do that? I'll show you later on in the game. My intentions are to sell that asset and pay down the loan slowly and then sell the asset. If you're interested in getting the live action board game, you could see my affiliate links down in the description below. I'll leave some links to Robert Kiyosaki's books where you can pick them up and make a small commission on those. If you want to see how this game continues, I'm going to actually buy some stock. I'm going to sell this condo for a profit, buy some other real estate, and eventually escape from the rat race. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching.